The fastest way to turn any Google Sheet into a beautiful mobile-ready online shop? Here's how easy it is. Open a Google Sheet, go to Extensions, GS2 Web Sauce by GsheetPress, and click New Shop. Just like that, a ready-made template appears. Title, image, description, price, buy link. Even badges and discounted pricing, all built in. Add your products one row at a time. Paste in your checkout link, Stripe, Shopify, Razorpay, WhatsApp, or any payment link you already use. Then, click Publish. Embed it on your website, and watch your products come to life. A stunning mobile-first product grid, fast, clean, professional, with buy buttons ready to convert.